Hey guys, this is the animal and the plant cells. Starting off with the animal cells. First, you have the inside of the nucleus, which is called the nucleolus. The nucleolus is bound inside the nucleus and produces ribosomes. Then, on the outside of the nucleolus, you have the nucleus, and the nucleus controls everything inside of the cell. After that, you have mitochondria. These are the powerhouse of the cell. It is also the site of the cell's energy production. Then you have the Golgi. This organelle assembles the cell's proteins into larger proteins. It also packages and ships proteins. Then you have the ER. This transports proteins and moves into the Golgi. Then you have the water, which is the cytoplasm. This is a jelly-like substance in which all the organelles float around. Then the little green things you have is called the vacuoles. This organelle is used to store the material needed by the cell. It's also used for storing waste. Then you have the lysosomes. These is basically a garbage disposal for the cell, and it gets rid of the waste. Then the little red things that you see are called ribosomes. These are proteins. These are proteins that are used inside the cell and found here. These make proteins. Now, moving on to the plant cell. In the plant cell, the little pink thing inside of the nucleus is called the nucleolus. This is made of RNA and protein. It transcribes and modifies RNA. The outside is also the nucleus, which controls everything inside of the cell. The water is the cytoplasm, and this is also a gel-like substance that holds the other parts in place. The little blue things are called, the little red things are called ribosomes. These are made of protein and RNA that convert genetic material into protein. The outside of the cell is called the cell membrane. This regulates chemical balance of a cell by deciding what comes in and what comes out. The purple organelle is called mitochondria. This is the cell's power plant. Wait, no, this is the cell that powers the plants. Then you have the rough ER, which is the blue cells. This manufactures enzymes and proteins. Outside of the cell, you have the cell wall. This is a rigid layer of polysaccharides lying outside the plasma membrane of the cells of plants, fungi, and bacteria. You cannot spell. In the algae and higher plants, it consists mainly of cellulose. I don't know. Did I do the cytoplasm? Oh, the vacuoles. The vacuole in the plant cell. This organelle stores materials such as water, salts, proteins, and carbonucleates. and hold on a second. I did. Okay, guys, that's all for our video of the plant and the animal cell.